Hello everyone. If you're here, it's probably because you're thinking of buying a home. And that's super exciting. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of buying a home, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Whether it's your first time buying a home or you just need a refresher, this video will break it down in simple terms. Let's dive in. Step one is all about getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you even start house hunting, you need to know how much house you can afford. Reach out to a lender or a bank and get pre-approved. They'll take a look at your credit score, income, debts, and other financial factors to give you a pre-approval letter, which is super important when making offers later. Step two, you want to find a great real estate agent. Like myself, they're your guide through the entire home buying process, and they can help you find the homes that match your criteria, set up viewings, and negotiate on your behalf. A great agent can really make the whole process smoother. So take your time finding someone you trust and who knows the local market well. Step three, start house hunting. Now comes the fun part, house hunting. Work with your agent to find homes that fit your needs, whether it's number of bedrooms, location, or your dream backyard. Keeping an eye on things like neighborhood amenities, school districts, and your commute to work. Pro tip, it's easy to fall in love with a home, but make sure you stick to your budget and prioritize your must-haves over your nice-to-haves. Step four, make an offer. Once you find the perfect home and it's time to make an offer, your real estate agent will help you decide how much to offer based on the market conditions, comparable sales in the area. This will also help with contingencies like home inspections and financings. After your offer is submitted, the seller will either accept, reject, or counter. It can be a bit of a waiting game, but stay patient. This is where the agent's negotiation skills come into handy. Step five, get a home inspection. Once your offer is accepted, it's time for a home inspection. A licensed inspector will come in the house for any issues like plumbing, electrical, structural. If the inspection reveals any major concerns, you might negotiate the seller to fix them or lower the price. Remember, it's better to know about potential problems now than to be surprised after you move in. Step six, finalize your mortgage. While the inspection is happening, your lender will be working on finalizing your mortgage. This means verifying all of your financial information and getting an appraisal to confirm the home's value. You'll also be locking in your interest rate at this point. Your lender will be sending you a closing disclosure 3 days before closing that outlines all of the final loan details, including your monthly payments and closing costs. Step seven, closing day. Finally, it's closing day. This is where you sign all necessary paperwork, pay your closing costs, and officially become a homeowner. It can be a bit overwhelming, but your real estate agent and lender will be there to guide you through it. After you sign all the documents and the sale is recorded, you'll get your keys to your new home. Congratulations. And that's the home buying process from start to finish. It may seem like a lot, but with the right team and some preparation, it's totally manageable. If you're getting ready to start your home buying journey, I wish you the best of luck. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guides. And if you have any questions about the home buying, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help.